Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this watch. If you want to change the straps or the wristband on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones. To do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and as you can see on the back of the watch, the straps have the buttons on them. And basically how it works is you need to press this button on one of the straps, and then once you press it, the latch that holds the strap right here on the watch will release and you can pull it off. So basically press the button and pull off the strap. It works like this, quite simple. Let's do the same for the second one. Sometimes you need to fiddle with it a little for it to unlock. Okay, so as you can see, we removed both straps, and that's how they look like when the straps are removed, and that's how the watch looks like when the straps are removed. Now let's say you got new ones and you want to put them back on. To do it, grab your watch, grab one of the straps. As you can see, the straps have the pins on both sides, like this, and when you press the button, the pins retract, they hide inside of the strap. So put one of the pins inside of the hole on the watch, so basically lock it on one of the sides, like that. Then press the button on the strap and fiddle the strap in, and then release the button to lock it in, like this. Quite simple. Let's repeat it for the second strap. Put one of the pins inside of the hole right here, for example. Come on. Like this. Hold the button, put the strap in, and release the button to lock it in. Okay, and that's how you change the straps or wristband on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.